Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add places to your favorites on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the search bar section at the top of the screen, and then you should type in the name of the street or other places that you would like to search for. It can be any kind of facilities. Then scroll down, and as you can see in the middle of the screen there are several options here, so you need to swipe to the right side of the screen in order to see the other options available to you. Now you should tap on the save icon, and as you can see you can save it to 4 places. You can save it to your list of favorites, the places where you want to go, your travel plans, or to your start places. So tap on the relevant one, and you can even add a note about this place by tapping on this bar and type in whatever you would like. Press the button done in the upper right corner of the screen, and as you can see you have added it to your favorites. So if you go to the back to this home page, you are going to see down below that there is this saved section, which is the third option, so click on it, and here you are going to see your lists if you scroll down. So tap on the one where you have saved that place, and as you can see it appeared here at this section. So you are ready to edit your note that you have added to it by tapping on the edit note section, or you can also remove it from your favorites by tapping on the 3 dots icon here, and then tap on the remove place button. So now you have removed it from your favorites. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.